Fabulous weekend. Yeah.
Dude, you're in a video. I'm just playing.
Yeah, actually.
I want a picture taken of me. Or a video of me.
Okay. Wait, I gotta get my stuff. This video is gonna be really long because I'm not gonna stop until we get to my car.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's go. Well, I gotta go to Ray's, so we can just get a sandwich from Ray's if you want one. So, yeah.
How much money in my car? Where's your car? Over in that parking lot. Oh, yeah, it's already right there.
This video's gonna be so long. Say something funny.
Something funny.
That was pretty funny. That was classic. Pretty classic. Pretty classic if I say so myself.
Pretty classic.
You know what? Uh-oh. Oh, I was about to say I gotta take it, but no, I don't. Sorry.